Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Enjoy the show. Tonight we're in Slovakia. On tonight's menu, pork and sauerkraut stew. The morning mise en place. Just after prep. The evening mise en place in order of appearance. Sauteing the onions. I'm going to add the garlic and saute for about 30 seconds. I add the pork and begin to brown. I add the sauerkraut and get it stirred in. I add the caraway seeds and the Hungarian paprika. I add the broth. Here it is just before the simmer. And it will simmer for an hour. And here's the stew after an hour. And the final presentation. Thank you for joining me here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed the show. Have fun cooking.